right, today's a glorious day because it is the sign of a new season. Today we are out here planting our first fall food plot. If you're new to the channel, I'm Jake. I do a lot of things outdoors, one of which is hunting. I love hunting, but more importantly, I love being on farms. So that's what we're doing today. We got the tiller out here. We're mowing about a 1/4 acre, probably maybe a little smaller. We're gonna mow it down, till it up, and plant fall food plot mix of, I don't really know what it is. It's a bunch of different things. But first we got to dump some wood off because we're gonna have a bonfire. So we'll see you in a second. Done. We had some surprise workers show up, so let's go check on them. They're mowing and tilling already. They're getting after it. We got this pile, pretty decent little burn pile, but it's all pressure treated from a deck build, so we're not gonna be making s'mores over that one, but it'll still be fun to burn. Let's get to food plotting. Getting after it. Down for a little work until it gets too hot. We're just cutting a path right in between these two fields. We see deer out there all the time. So this is the trail they're gonna use to get into here. And this will be where our food plot is. This was our old platform right here that we used for a while. But as you can see, well, you probably can't see, but I can feel it. It's donezo. So we're gonna finish tilling this up, broadcast our seed out, and then hope for rain. Where the deer are bedding.
Are you saying here or where they're bedding?
Where they're bedding. We gotta run to TSC to get some more bags of whatever it's called, the food plot mix. Spread it out and it did not cover 1/4 acre. There you go, girl.
What I said.
Coco, how do you feel about this weather?
Not good.
Go grab the tiller, get after it.
Too hot.
Yeah.
Too hot.
You're hot?
I'm hot. Not in a good way. Sweating.
What hand?
Nothing.
I'm all over the place?
No, just go.
All right, we just finished up planting our first food plot ever. We ended up planting brassicas and like a variety. It's the Big Tine lockdown variety, so it has winter peas in it, rape, turnip. We threw it all down. We threw down lockdown and main event. We just put it all out there just to see what would happen. Like I said, this is more of a poor man's food plot. We didn't spray glyphosate beforehand, so the tiller work was a little strenuous at first, but it ended up being perfectly fine. We got it down. We're gonna get some trail cameras down here. This is a little fenced-in corner of this this 20 acres right here, and it used to be a bee yard for beehives, and then it was just grass, so it's fenced in. And over on this side, you saw us seating over there, is access to another hay field over there where we often see the deer, so it should be a pretty sweet spot. We got water right behind us, and a lot of cover is behind us, so we should have a pretty sweet setup. So here in a few weeks, in the next few weeks, we're gonna try to build a stand, probably, you know, 50 to 100 yards that way. We're in the food plot here. We're gonna just build it along the fence line. That way we can access it pretty easily and overlook this food plot. Just looking at it, you can see these brassica seeds, or those little purple ones. From the deer stand that we're gonna build, we should be able to see the plot easily. And before we mowed over here, there was trails going that way from over here where there's a lot of cover, food. I think there's another pond over there, over to the pond that's this way. So we should have a solid season. We're trying to bring the deer over to a different side of this farm, so this should help. Ultimately, I think we're gonna build a couple more food plots out here, probably next year, try to get a summer plot going, one step at a time. We'll see how this one goes. Hopefully Mother Nature helps us out tomorrow with a little rain, and we'll be giving updates along the way, and I'll get a trail camera out here, so hopefully we'll have some cool pictures here soon. And if you have any other ideas about salt licks or anything that would supplement this food plot, once stuff is established, maybe put like a mock scrape or a rub post. So yeah, not bad for our first food plot. Thank you, Russ, for the equipment, the land, the idea, and the execution. It's gonna be a fun deer season. I'm hoping this opens up a lot of opportunities for all of us. And hopefully we'll be getting some of the youth out this year, and maybe they'll see some deer and get them interested. But it's definitely a serene place out here. It's wicked beautiful, and it's just an awesome spot to be, whether you see deer or not. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. I would love to have you back for some more of my adventures. And if you have any questions, concerns, think I'm an idiot and I did something wrong, or think I did something right, you're welcome to post it. Yeah, I guess we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. See ya. Before I leave, I usually cast out a line. Today I finally got one. Look at that. A little brim.